Hello everybody and welcome aboard the Astor, who's currently operating in Australia for cruise and maritime voyages. This is taken in December of 2017 as the ship was preparing to sail out of Fremantle. So embarking on the ship, you can enter the main lobby and you can see some of the memorabilia that's put around the ship here, as well as the deck plans. Now, because it was December, the ship was decorated for Christmas, and so there were Christmas trees and decorations throughout the vessel. And you can just get a sense for the ambience from these images here. Now, having a look at the cabins, the Astor actually has a very good number of high quality cabins on board, large cabins and suites. This is suite 110, which is a standard suite, and you can see it has its own bedroom. It has a living area, very well appointed with a large TV and plenty of space. There's a modern bathroom with the vacuum flush there, and the ship also has some interesting old-fashioned touches, such as keys that operate the doors rather than the swipe cards. Now we're having a look inside the Senator Suite. There's two of these at the front of the ship and a third larger one in the middle, which is called the Astor Suite. The Senator Suites are huge. They have a large bed area here, a very well appointed bathroom. They have a view over the front of the ship. They have the side view here, and then there's also a separate lounge, so you can really get a good sense of space. This is actually a view of a standard inside cabin, and surprisingly, it's very spacious. The Astor isn't a very large cruise ship, but she has very well appointed cabins. And you can see here, this is an inside room with the separate seating area. There's a bedroom, the large television, and all of the cabins have the ensuite. Now, taking a look around the ship, this is the vessel's library. It's pretty well appointed for a ship the size of Astor. Again, nice large seating area and plenty of books. At the front of the ship, you'll find the Astor Lounge, and this is where the evening shows are held, but they also use this location to offer afternoon tea and other activities throughout the day. And so you can just get a sense of the decor here. And this is what it looks like in photographic form. So I took that picture there from the back of the room, just to give you a sense of the scale. Now, the ship was decorated for Christmas, and this included gingerbread houses that were scattered throughout the ship. And as we walk through the main reception area, you can see all of the Christmas decorations there in preparation for the Christmas period. And this just gives you a sense of the style and decor used on board the ship. So now we're in the card room, which is on the opposite side of the ship to the library, and again it's the same size of room. This one here is used for card games and bridge lessons and that sort of thing, and again it's pretty well laid out and quite spacious. The ship also has a shopping promenade on board, and this is just a view in at some of the shops, but they also have all of the usual boutique style shopping that you would expect on a cruise ship and duty free. And then outside that, there is the Cyber Centre or Internet Cafe, which looks down along a indoor promenade, which is nice for people to sit and watch the ocean go by out those large windows. So one of the main bars on board is the Captain's Club, and here you can see it. It's an internal bar, but it has that outside promenade on each side, the covered promenade, and it has this nautical decor, including a large wheel, which people quite enjoy posing with for photographs, and quite a good selection of different champagnes are served here. So this is just outside the Captain's Club, and again another one of these gingerbread city almost decorations here, done by the chefs of the ship in preparation for Christmas. And you can see that this was a theme that was carried throughout the ship. Now, out on the main deck or the promenade, you can see the beautiful teak wood decks that the ship has. It just, I suppose, shows her vintage a little bit, and a very nice view from the boat deck. And there are deck plans throughout at all of the major stairway landings to help you find your way around. Now, unfortunately, my video camera battery died during the filming of this, and so the rest of these are photographs, but you can see the outdoor entertainment areas, which leads into the gym, which I showed you just before, and here's the outdoor swimming pool area of the ship, and there's bars around that. You can also see the Waldorf Restaurant, which is the ship's main formal restaurant, and here's an image of some of the table settings in that restaurant. And there are alternative dining options as well. So this is the Übersee Club, and here is the alfresco dining options. And I preferred personally the decor of this room to the Waldorf. It's a little bit more contemporary. The ship also has an indoor swimming pool, so if the weather's not very nice outside, you can still swim in a heated swimming pool inside. And this leads on to a spa facility, and you can see some of the heated beds there. And then back up on deck, there's sporting facilities as well, including a tennis club, which you can enjoy when the ship's at sea. So there's a tour of the Astor. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a comment and share if you like the video. Thanks for watching.